Guangzhou Huarui Plastic Products Co. Limited is a professional rotary molding product production factory that integrated design, development, production, and sales. Our main products include linen carts, cage carts, hand carts, insulated boxes, speaker casings, plastic septic tanks, plastic containers, electric skateboards, etc. Customized processing orders from various industries rank among the top 10 in the Chinese industry in terms of production and sales scale. We have a factory covering an area of 20,000 square meters, 7 fully automated, roll-forming production lines with a production team of over 50 people, with an annual production amount exceeding $10 million. The first step is to mix the materials according to the color required by the customer and add the material. The second step is to quickly heat the mold, then wait for the mold to cool completely, and take out the product. The third step is to make the base by full welding, which is not easy to break. Our bases are made of 1.2 thickness thick stainless steel. The fourth step is to install the wheels and shielding cloth. The wheels are our patent. Our products are drop-proof and smash-proof, and can be used with confidence for more than 10 years.